Video by the directors.
Nystro the beat maker.
Hey Stro, I just wanna do something, a little different. Yeah, this is man. Turn up. I need that profit to my pocket, short and stocky. Why did I just can't fit it in? Get that broccoli, yeah, like yachts and make deposits, divide my dollars into dividends. Who wanna be the nigga that died broke? Lose all hope, reality's tightrope. But Jimmy Lee grabbing that money by the throat, walking down the aisle, me and currency a moat. Cause there was once a time when I couldn't buy soap. Thought it was the end, so I started selling dope. My son needed pampers and my daughter needed a coat. I was selling in shit on a paper tower boat, but I will not complain. I just wanna stay afloat. Started with some roaches, now I'm trying to be the GOAT. Get the preach about the paper, so I turn into the Pope. Not focused on the hype, I'm a light-skinned hope. Say I've been through too much to give up now. Fought my battles and I wiped my brow. Married the game and I took my vow. Wrote these lyrics and I wrote my loud. Lately everybody saying they proud. Getting me up and now passing me loud. Couple of years ago I'm making a sound. When I was trapping in pajamas selling the pound.
It goes down, 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 down when I come in town. Suck, call friends, no longer come around. Realness speaks volume. And you don't make a sound. And you don't make a sound.
Some say money, the root to all evil. I say only if given to wrong people. Who only focus on bad bitches and D-Eagles. Roll gold chains, forward bright regals. With 20-something rims, but they tag still illegal. Get locked up, ain't looking for a sequel. Above the bullshit, ain't looking for an equal. Nah, I ain't looking for an equal. And my homies try to tell me that they still getting dope. I be like, Brett, what you trying to get it for? They be like, what? I be like, gas, Molly, bitches, the liquor store. I ain't telling niggas not to get paid. But stop blowing it on getting laid. Pay your bills, keep them kids straight. Make sure they got a fresh cup of Kool-Aid. Well, you can invest in a stock instead of investing in a Glock or just a bundle of rocks. Whether we like it or not, you gon' end up in a box. So just give it all that you got, I guess. This here, man.
It goes down, 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 down when I come in town.
PMG.
Suck, call friends, no longer come around.
Now I don't see them no more.
Realness speaks volume.
Fuck 'em.
And you don't make a sound.